Good morning everyone. Let's continue our lesson number 12, that is time and motion. In our previous classes, we learned why there is need to measure time. Second point, measurement of time. Now, slow and fast motion. So children, what do you mean by motion? Any object that is moving is said to be in motion. So if any object changes its position with respect to its point, that is called the motion. Now, slow and fast motion. Some objects move slow, some objects move fast. Snail moves slow, car move fast, ship moves slow, aeroplane move fast, tortoise moves slow, and hare move fast. If we take the example of running race, then by observing it, we can say that whose motion is fast and whose motion is slow. So, slow and fast motion are the type of motion which is done by comparing between two objects, and motion of the body is slow when it takes more time to cover distance which covered in less time by another object in motion. So it can be found out by observing on or by calculating speed mathematically. So what do you mean by speed? So the term speed, what do you mean by speed? Distance travelled by an object in its unit time, that is called speed. So here an object is defined as a speed of an object is defined as the distance travelled by it in unit time, that is called the speed, and speed is measured in the SI unit of speed is meter per second, that is meter per second. Now how we calculate the calculation of speed, how we calculate the speed. Here in the book, example is given. Shreya, Ronald, Shabina, Kirti participated in race. They took 20 seconds, 22 seconds, 25 seconds, 28 seconds respectively to reach the finishing line. So how we calculate the speed here? By this formula. Here it is. Distance travel, if we take distance 100 meter, then Shreya covered in 20 seconds. So 100 by 20, it comes 5 times. That is 5 meter per second. So Shreya run with the speed of 5 meter per second. So by similarly we can calculate the Ronald, the speed of the Ronald, Shabina and Kirti also. Okay. Now the next example. The bus, a school bus covers a distance of 7,200 meter in 1800 seconds. Calculate speed. So how we calculate speed? The formula of speed is equal to distance traveled divided by time. That is 7,200 meter divided by 1800. Two zeros cancel. Then 18 4 meter per second. So here the bus moves with a speed of 4 meter per second. So here in practice very few objects travel in a constant speed. So सारे objects एक जैसे ही speed से हमेशा जाते हैं क्या? No, sometime it is slow, sometime it is fast. So here to estimate the speed in such cases we use the concept of average speed. So average speed, that is total distance covered by an object and time taken to cover the distance, that is called the average speed. So here we can say that every speed is defined as a total distance traveled divided by total time taken to travel this distance. Okay. Now, different units of speed. So we can measure speed in meter per second, that kilometer per hour also, mile per hour also. So how we calculate? See here, different units of speed. Distance traveled in kilometer, that is 7,200 divided by 1000. Why we divide it by 1000? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here it comes 7.2 kilometer. Now time in hours. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 into 60, 3600. Then 1800 divided by 3600, it comes 0.5 hours. Now see here, therefore the speed of the bus is equal to 7.2 divided by 0.5. It comes 14.4 kilometer per hour. So here we calculate the speed of the bus in kilometer per hour. So we can directly calculate. If the speed is given in meter per second, if speed is given in meter per second, then we can change it in kilometer per hour by multiplying or dividing it by 5 by 18 or 18 by 5. How? See here. If meter per second, if the speed is given in meter per second, then multiply it with the 18 by 5. The answer will come in kilometer per hour. If we have the speed in kilometer per hour, then we multiply the speed which is in kilometer per hour by 5 divided by 18. It comes meter per second. So we can directly find out if we have the speed in meter per second, we can directly convert it into kilometer per hour by multiplying 18 by 5. If we are having the speed in kilometer per hour, then by multiplying it 5 by 18, we get meter per second, the speed in meter per second. Students, see how this 18 by 5 comes. See here, you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. If you want to convert the speed which is given in the meter per second form, and you want to convert it into kilometer per hour, then meter should be divided by 1000 and seconds should be divided by 3600. So here अंडरस्टूड? ओके, अगर हमको इसको सॉल्व करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिवीजन के साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन के साइन में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के साइन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमको ये पूरा जो टर्म है इसको इन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, रेसिप्रोकल लेना पड़ेगा. रेसिप्रोकल, ओके, 2 zeros are cancelled. So here second, so 2 का टेबल दोनों में जाता है 18 by 5. So by solving it, you can say that कि 18/5 कैसे आया? By solving it. Okay. So here, if you want to convert the speed which is given in the meter per second, then it should be multiplied by 18/5. It gives the speed into kilometer per hour. And अगर वो speed kilometer per hour में दी है, then it should be multiplied by 5/18, which gives the speed into in meter per second. Two more terms are given in the book, that is speedometer and odometer. The instrument meter measuring the speed of the vehicle, it is called speedometer, which gives the measurement of the speed of that vehicle, it is called speedometer. And the distance traveled by the vehicle is given by an instrument, it is called odometer. So the distance traveled by that vehicle, it is measured by the odometer. Both of them usually fitted together. Okay. And in the car the meter is fitted in the dashboard, and in the scooter and motorbike on the top. So these two instruments give the reading of speed and distance travel at the same time. Okay. So let's remember 169 page number and 171. It is your homework. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.